Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for almost 10 months or how many months never do a proper video, so here you go guys. Okay guys, so today we are going to make the best cookie ever. So this is my 2 cups chocolate chips, baking soda, salt, vanilla essence, and our 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay guys, so let's combine this together. Okay, let's combine all the baking soda, baking powder, salt to one bowl together with the flour. And now we're going to put in the softened butter to make it creamy. And later on we're going to put on the brown sugar and the white sugar. Just combine it together, make it you combine this maybe around for 5 minutes to make it fluffy. And you'll see it is creamy, and this one is what I meant to. It's creamy. That's what we want after we combine our sugar and butter. And continue to beating. Okay, after we beat, we combine our flour with baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So now we are mixing it together with butter and sugar. After we mix our flour, we pour in our 2 eggs with vanilla. So just continue to beat. We will mix this for about another 3 minutes just to combine the cake flour. And then we're going to pour in our chocolate chips inside. So but you just leave some a little bit for your toppings nicely on before you bake. Later on you're gonna see it. Okay guys, so this is done already, our mixing. So we need to prepare our baking pan, and of course we can use your ice cream scooper, or can just use your hand, make it a ball, or the spoon. So guys, I use my ice cream scooper to take a dollop of cookie mixture, anyway guys, it's up to you how you want your cookie to be, whether you want it small or big, so it's up to you. So now I'm taking a big dollop, so this one will be a big one. It's perhaps a bigger than my palm. So now guys, as you can see, some of my chocolate chips, I just nicely chocolate chips on top of my cookies. So guys, this one I bake for about 15 minutes to 150 Celsius. So yep, this one I don't need to refrigerate the cookie mixture. After I mix, I just bake it as soon as I can, so I don't need the refrigeration before baking. So guys, this is my cookies. It's bigger than my palm. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Continue to like, comment, share and subscribe. And yeah, any suggestion is also allowed. So you can suggest what you want me to do or bake next time. See